Today, I'll show you how to use Shadps4 on the Steam Deck, step by step, the correct way. Step 1. Switch to desktop mode. Press the Steam button, go to Power, and select Switch to Desktop. This is required to install and configure Shadps4. Step 2. Download Shadps4. Open your browser, go to shadps4.net, click on Downloads. Inside of here, download the Linux version. Make sure it's the Linux version. Now, don't forget to install required dependencies. Make sure your Steam Deck has Vulkan and your system updates installed. Most Steam Decks already supports this, but running system updates helps avoid crashes. Now, add Shadps4 to Steam. Open Steam in desktop mode, click Add a non-Steam game, browse the Shadps4 executable, and add it. This allows you to launch Shadps4 directly from gaming mode. Now, configure controls and graphics. Open Shadps4 and go to Settings, set graphics to Vulkan, adjust resolution for performance, and map controls to the Steam Deck layout. Lower settings if you experience lag. Now return to gaming mode, open Shadps4 from your library, and start using it like any other Steam game. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.